Factoring a trinomial where the leading term is not equal to 1. There's multiple different ways. I use the AC method. AC method is a way of manipulating this expression into a 4-term polynomial, and that way you can factor by grouping is all it amounts to. So in order to start, you're going to multiply a times c. What's a and c? Well, a is the coefficient of your x squared term, c is your constant. So a times c gives me negative 30. Now I want to find a pair of numbers that will multiply to give me 30 and add up to give me negative 13. And if you have to make a list, remember, since this is negative, you've got one of each. And then as soon as you get to 2 and negative 15, you have a winner. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to come over here and manipulate that middle term. The first term doesn't change. The middle term is going to be plus 2x and minus 15x and then minus 5. So you've not changed the value. Once you get it in this step in 4 terms, you just factor by grouping. So we're going to group here and group here. Now we're going to take out the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between 6x squared and 2x is 2x. When I divide that out, I get 3x plus 1. All right, greatest common factor here. Now we have that minus sign. I'm going to factor out a 5. 5 is the greatest common factor. All right, when I take 5 out of 15, I get 3x. When I take 5 out of negative 5, though, I get positive 1. Now that these two things match, they become a single greatest common factor. So we're going to pull that out, and what do you have left when you divide that out of each term? Well, you have the 2x from here, the minus 5 from here, and that is how you factor a trinomial with the AC